So here is the brief introduction of this app. Strava is a popular fitness and activity tracking app designed for athletes and fitness enthusiasts to record, analyze, and share their workouts. Launched in 2009, it combined social networking with advanced performance tracking, make it a go-to platform for runners, cyclists, swimmers, and other active individuals. In addition, Strava was created by Michael Horvath and Mark Gainey in 2009. Both founders were former collegiate rowers at Harvard University and sought to build a platform that combined their passion for athletics and technology, enabling athletes to connect, compete, and share their progress in a social and supportive environment. Their vision was to create a virtual locker room where athletes could stay motivated and celebrate their achievements together. So basically, itong Strava app is ginagamit kalimitan ng mga professional cyclists and runners to track their improvements. Since ang app na ito ay makakatulong to improve our daily routine in terms of workouts and exercise. Strava app also help us to see our progress day by day. It also shares a offline map when we do not have access in our internet. We can just download it and use the offline map and we can go into that destination. So yung Strava app is na-download siya through Android and iOS. So sa instance na to, ginamit ko yung iOS and download ko siya through the use of the App Store. So search lang natin yung Strava and pag may nakita kayong ganitong icon is yan na yung Strava app. Download lang natin. And pag may lumabas na ganyan is nakalagay yung join for free or login. So meron akong Google account, yun na lang ginamit ko. So pwede rin dito nyong ilagin guys ng inyong Apple, Google, and Facebook. So i-allow lang natin yung across websites. Then lagay lang natin dito yung ating birthday para mag-proceed siya dun sa pinaka-dashboard natin. So makikita natin guys ito yung which sports are you interested in. So iba't ibang sports yung nakalagay dyan guys. And dito guys, pwede natin connect yung ating mga device like yung Garmin, iWatch, and yung mga Fitbit natin guys. So X lang natin yun dahil wala naman tayong ganun gamit. So dito guys, dun sa pinaka-search natin, makikita natin yung pwede natin connect yung ating Facebook, yung QR para ma-add tayo ng iba through the use of QR. And yung mga post nung iba't ibang mga sikat dito sa Strava guys, pwede kayo mag-post dito. So pwede nyo i-share yung mga routes nyo and pwede din kayo mag-post ng mga pictures nyo and makikita namin dito yung mga kilometers and yung hours na tinakbo nyo dun sa inyong ride. So kagaya dito guys, titingnan natin kung ano yung route na dinaanan niya. Mape-play natin dito siya guys. So yan, yung parang pinaka 3D na dinaanan niya. So yan. Kagandahan dito sa Strava guys, pwede tayong kumopya ng route sa iba. So kapag meron tayong alam na cyclist na pwede natin puntahan, kunyari pumunta sila sa Monte Maria, pwede natin gamitin yung route na dinaanan nila para din challenge sa atin yun guys. So pakita ko lang sa inyo guys yung pinaka highlight ng Strava guys, or yung pinaka importance niya. So dito guys, pili muna tayo kung anong sport natin dyan. It's yung ride, pwede tayo mag-walk and run. So mag-search lang tayo dito guys ng map na gusto natin puntahan. So sinearch ko dito guys is yung Coliseum. So upon searching yung Coliseum guys, tingnan nyo lang yung pinaka-exact na location. Then may lalabas niyang 3 routes, and makikita natin dyan yung different kilometers and kung saan tayo mabilis na makakapunta according dun sa ating pinaka-pinpoint na location. Kung nasaan tayo guys, makikita natin doon kung gaano tayo kalayo at kung gaano tayo kabilis makakapunta doon sa location na yan. So nandito din yung guys sa mga elevation kung gaano kataas o katarik yun. And ito guys yung tatlong way or yung route ng papunta ng Coliseum. So yan guys yung isa. Ito yung way niya guys. Pinapakita sa atin kung saan way tayo dadaan. So kapag nandyan tayo, is yan po, dire-diretso lang. So ngayon nasa Dumantay ako, at ang daan ko daw is dito sa may Pinagcruzahan Concepcion. So yun guys, kung gusto natin yung route natin, pwede natin siyang i-download offline. And pag na-download na natin, pwede na natin siya gamitin guys ng offline. Dinownload na natin siya, pwede na natin yung gawin pinaka-map natin guys. So dito makikita natin yung mga sikat na Strava users or yung merong followers, and yung mga clubs na gusto nating salihan or yung mga taga Batangas lang. So sinearch ko dito guys yung Batangas City lang. Yan. So yan yung mga group nila guys, yung mga samahan ng mga bikers, runners, athletes, ganyan, cyclists. So dito natin makikita yung mga pinopost nila guys, mga group. Dahil ito ay specific group guys, makikita natin dyan yung mga members na nagpo-post, and yung mga members din na or mga cyclists na sineshare yung kanilang mga bonding dun sa mga members niyan, yung mga kilometers. Dito sa group guys, pag clinic nitong challenge, may makikita tayo dito ang iba't ibang challenge, which is yung task ni Strava sa atin. So kapag pwede tayo mag-join dito guys, kagaya nitong December Cycling Elevation Challenge. So dito guys, may makikita tayo yan, yung mga taong gumawa na nun, kung ilang meters na yung natakbo nila. Yan.
High five.
Every time. You're all sideways on that turn, huh?
3, 2. Cheers!
Look at this guy.